It is finally time to put together the best computer I have ever built, and it's for my son. The motherboard is the Asrock Z370 Taichi, by far the best bang for your buck motherboard you can buy for the Z370 chipset, featuring dual gigabit LAN ports, steel PCI slots, 3 M.2 slots, and a slew of other amazing features. The CPU is the Intel Core i7-8700K with 6 cores and 12 threads with a clock speed of 3.7 GHz and a boost clock up to 4.7 GHz and 12 megabytes of cache. To cool the CPU, we're going to be using the NZXT Kraken X62 280mm liquid cooler. Now, I usually use Corsair, but I figured since we're going RGB crazy for this build that the Kraken X62 would be a perfect fit. For RAM, we're going to be using the Gskill Trident Z RGB 3600 MHz RAM, and the RGBs on this are amazing. Gskill did not play any games with this RAM. It is both fast, efficient, and pretty. For our power supply, we're going to be using the EVGA Supernova 850 G2 fully modular gold power supply. Last and certainly not least, the graphics card. We're going to be using the Auros GeForce GTX 1080Ti Xtreme Edition. This thing is absolutely amazing. I've been using it in my computer for a while now, and it overclocks all on its own to 2000 megahertz, and it is truly amazing. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing put together. It's time for the final touches. We gotta remove all the plastic, but boy oh boy, is this thing beautiful. I'm a little jealous, to be quite honest. It's the best computer I have ever built.
Well, it's time to show Tiny Human his computer. Gonna go drive up to Austin, Texas to pick him up, and we've got it all set up. I think he's gonna frickin' love it. So it's been a couple weeks since I put this all together, but it's beautiful. We got him an Xbox controller for playing art, a nice RGB lit keyboard, and a nice blue mouse. And also, a headset. You need a headset. It's just gotta be a thing. But, oh man, I'm terrible at vlogging. Yeah, working on a couple different projects. Got a couple case reviews that I'm working on. And, excited for that. But anyways, let's get to what you guys are waiting for. And that is picking up Tiny Human. Hey buddy, what you doing?
I'm playing my tablet.
You're playing with your tablet?
Yeah.
We got a surprise for you at home.
Another prize for me?
Yeah. You wanna know what it is?
Yeah.
Too bad you gotta wait till we get home.
Okay.
Okay, you excited?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be playing a better Star Wars game soon. You're so fast. Yeah. Gotta unlock it, dude. I'm unlocking it. Push.
I did it.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see a surprise?
Yeah.
Do you see it yet?
No.
It's right there.
I see it.
Yeah. It's that. Look at the computer.
What is this?
That's a controller.
For me?
Yeah. But this is yours. That is yours. That blue computer.
To play with you?
Yeah. you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's yours?
Where's mine?
Yeah.
It's in the closet.
Can you get it?
Can I get it? Well, we gotta. You wanna play a game?
Yeah.
Do you like the blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, so you got your headset here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Here you go. Put it on.
Okay, play game.
You gonna play a game?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I will. We're gonna stream together soon.
Okay.
What you looking for?
This.
That's a door.
It's not open.
You gotta hit the button. You don't want to go in there anyways.
Why?
Go over and look at all the stuff.
Okay.
Do you see the unicorns?
No, not it. No. Those things?
Those are birds.
But where's the unicorn?
Turn around.
I don't see them.
You gotta turn around. See, they're over here. See the blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I made that one for you. That one. Right there.
That one?
Yeah.
That one?
Uh-huh. Go up to it.
This one?
That's a rabbit, you weirdo. The blue one.
This one?
Yeah. Now hit the Y button.
Why
The
button?
yellow one.
The yellow one? This one?
Yeah. We're gonna teach you how to play Ark the right way.
Okay.
See? It's a nice blue unicorn just for you, like your computer.
Yeah. That one too.
Yeah. Which one do you like more, the dark blue or the light blue?
That one.
The light blue one.
Yeah.
Alright, hit the yellow button again, you can go ride the light blue one. He's like, what was that?
But I want to ride that one.
Go ahead. Go ride it.
But they win. Step down.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's learned how to fly. Where are you flying to?
Where I'm going.
Where are you going?
Ew.
You don't know.
Where am I going?
You going that way?
Yeah.
Gonna find some fat loots?
No.
No.
But,
Gonna find some friends?
yeah.
Yeah?
But where are they?
I don't know, you gotta find them. You having fun? Yes.
Leaving soon.
He is very, very focused. I think he's happy though. There we go. Yeah, you like your computer?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your first gaming computer.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Do you want to learn how to build a gaming computer with Dad?
Yeah.
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 Maybe we'll do that next time.
Yeah.
Or can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I just wanted to say before I go, thank you to everyone that made this possible. You all are truly, truly amazing. And I don't know how to say thank you enough. You guys made my year, you made my son's year, and we're gonna have so much fun making content for all of you on my gaming channel. And if you guys didn't see it already, me and Tiny Human actually streamed the other day, and it was pretty much the best time I've ever had playing Ark Survival Evolved. You can check out the stream link. I'll put it in the cards up there. So if you guys are curious, where is it? Up here somewhere. Up there. Check it out. It was amazing. It might be a little boring, but it's super cute. Running around with my kid in the game and just exploring. It was pretty awesome. But anyways, thank you all so much. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.